In this video, let us learn how to link tasks in Microsoft Project. In project management, there are 4 types of task dependencies and each one has its own specific reason why you would use it. For example, we have these 3 activities which are dependent on each other sequentially. So when first or second activity is getting delayed, it will have the impact on the succeeding activity. That is why these are called as dependencies as well. Whenever you are working on relationships in your project, it is better to view the task details in the bottom portion for quick editing. Go to View tab, tick this checkbox Details. Other smart trick to on this is double click here at the end of the vertical scroll bar and then right click in the task form and select the Predecessors and Successors option. So now whenever you select any activity, you can see the predecessor and successor task here in this detail section, which would be very easy to operate. Let's understand relationships and see how we can link 2 tasks in Microsoft Project. Finish to start. This is the most common scenario, and in the absence of any other criteria, all tasks could have this dependency in order to produce a functioning schedule. For example, concrete pouring can only start after the formwork is built. Let us select these 3 activities where we want the finish to start relationships. In this task tab, in the schedule group, click the link icon. You can see the finish to start link in the Gantt chart and in the details section at the bottom as well. Finish to finish. In this relationship, task B cannot finish until task A finishes. For example, design work cannot finish until environmental clearances are complete. To link now, select the environmental clearances task and in the details section, in the successor section, choose the task name as design and in the type field select FF, which means finish to finish. Then click on OK. You can see the same in the Gantt chart link with the link. Step is start to start. In this relationship, task B cannot start until task A starts. For example, icing of the cake cannot start until we put the batter in the oven. So select the task, put the batter in the oven and go to the details section. In the successor, choose the task as icing and in the type select SS, which is start to start, and click OK to see the link in the Gantt chart. Next type is start to finish. In this relationship, task B cannot finish until task A starts. This is the rare relationship, but it happens. Example, inspection cannot finish until client review starts. Instead of following the same process, here let us see one more method. Go to the inspection task and in the predecessor column, directly type 20SF. 20 is nothing but the ID number of task client review. When you press enter, you can see the link in the Gantt chart as confirmation. Let us see now a trick to link tasks much quicker. As most of the times we have the finish to start relationships, I generally link this way by going to the Gantt chart. When you place the cursor on the bar of a task, you will see the move icon. Press left click and drag the pointer. You will see a link icon now. Simply select the task to which you want to link this particular task. Immediately a finish to start link will be assigned to these activities. Got it? So friends, in this way you can link tasks in Microsoft Project. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Thank you.